So this is how you can get back archived lists on Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to get back your archived lists. So this is pretty simple. Let's get started. As you can see, I am on my board right now and I have three lists. I'm going to show you how to get back a list with a card in it or just an empty list. Let's start with the empty list. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and archive it and then archive the one with the card. So I'm just going to archive this, the card, and then the list. So once you do that, you're going to want to tap on the three dots at the right part of the screen next to share, and then tap on archived items. Then, as you can see, we are in the card archives. You can go back and send it to board, and there you go. You've sent it to board. Now, tap on switch to list because we were in cards. So you're going to want to tap on switch to list and then send it to board and then send this one to board too. And there we go. The card that we sent to the board just went in the to-do list, which was still an archive. So when we unarchived it, it went back to here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just redo it for you so you'd understand. Once you archive something, go to the three dots, tap on archived items, and then go here. Just tap on retrieve or whatever it says. This is the cards, and this is the lists. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.